Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay and I work with Saddlebook. Today I will be showing you your event financial summary. Let's get to it. In this video, I will be showing you your event financial summary. So to start off, you have finished your event. Your classes are closed, you have paid your checks, you're thinking, what's next? Next, you are going to want to look at your books and look to see what you paid out and where all the money is. So first thing that we're going to do, we will go up here to your event drop down, then down to your financial summary. And this is going to go over all of your profit and losses. First, you're going to see your income. This is broken down by each class. If we look at class 100, the open barrels, there were 21 people that entered. They paid $55 each, bringing your open total income to $1,155. If you look at your class 200 youth carryover class, 4 people entered, paying $30 each, bringing your total youth carryover class income to $120. Adding all of your incomes together brings a subtotal of $1,725 and a class income total of $1,725. That brings us to your other fees section. This is going to be any of those additional fees that you created in your master items list. So here we can see we have an arena fee, time onlys, stalls, sawdust, RVs. This would also include any of your office fees or exhibitions. So here you will see that your arena fee had 6 people pay, and that brought the total arena fee to $60. Time only, 18 people bought them, bringing your total time onlys to $90. Stalls had 14 people purchase stalls, bringing your stall total income to $560. Adding all of your other income totals together would bring you a other fees income of $950. Continuing down the line, we have your added money section. This would be any of those classes that you have added money to and checked the box include in financial statement. So here we have your open barrels that had $1,500 or $1,500 added in the added money section, bringing your total income to be $4,175, including your added money, other income from additional fees, and your income from each class. Now that we have your total income, we will move down to your expenses. First, we're going to start with your winnings expense. That will include each class that you have paid out of. Once you've selected the amount that you want paid and have applied winnings. First, we're going to start with your class 100 open barrels, which had a total of $2,310 in winnings. So that is an expense because you paid out that amount. In your youth, you have $84 in winnings. And if you add all of that together, that brings your winnings subtotal to $2,709 with each class added. Moving on to your other fees expenses. This would include any of your additional fees that you inputted a cost to yourself. So that would include stalls, which 14 people purchased, and it cost you $490. Sawdust, which 16 people purchased and cost you $112. RVs, which 4 people purchased and cost you $60, bringing your total other fees expense to be $662. Another expense that is listed is your saddle book fees. And if you were to take online payments, which in this race we did not, it would also list your total credit card processing fees. But for now, we'll just focus on our saddle book fees. It will bring you the total cost, and that would be your total expense, which in this case is $81.63. Your total expense for your event is $3,452.63, leaving your total net income, so that is your income after expenses, $722.37. Moving down, we have our balance sheet. This first section, which has your assets and online payments, that is specific to credit cards. So if you're taking credit cards, this will be filled out with that information. This race, we did not take credit cards, so therefore it is blank, leaving your total online payments 0. Your saddle book fees withheld is listed, the $81.63 that we saw earlier in expenses, and it shows total fees withheld. Then it will show your total online payments net. Your offline payments, these are cash and or check payments received. You can see your payment received, $2,076. That's your total offline payments. And your total payments is $1,994.37 after your online payments net, which included your saddle book fees withheld of $81.63, is taken out to get the total payments of $1,994.37. After that, you will have your added money included, as well as any outstanding entries. That means any entries that have not finished their balance or have not paid you or are waiting for a refund. And that total for outstanding entries is $645. Adding all of that together, your total assets is $2,639.37. After that, it's going to bring your liabilities and equity. Your winnings payable is that amount that was able to be paid from your winnings. So that's back in your expenses. You'll see your total winnings expense. It's the same number as winnings payable. Your other fees expense payable is $662. You can find that same $662 up in your expenses. So your other fees expenses, that total number is $662. This is your other fees, your stalls, sawdust, RVs, any of those additional fees that had a cost unit for you. So that's the amount that it cost you as a producer. Moving down the line, we have our sanction fees payable. So here we have our not optional fees. These are the ones that were automatically added onto a class. 18 people purchased that fee, bringing the total to $36. Your optional sanction fee, so these were the sanctions that people had to click in order to enter their sanction number. That total was 5 people, and it had a total $10 income from it, bringing your sanction fee subtotal to $46. These are the fees that you will want to pay out to your sanctions. So these would break it down by each sanction. So our not optional sanction, we as a producer will want to pay $36. Our optional sanction, we as a producer will want to pay them $10, bringing our total sanction fees to $46. These are fees that were already paid by the contestant. And our saddle book payable, that is our saddle book fee, is $81.63. To our liabilities subtotal, which is $3,498.63. Our retained earnings, which is the same as our net income, is $722.37. And you can see that same amount right here on your net income, making our total liabilities and equity $4,221. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful hints.